Hello, friends. Welcome to English Planet. Before we start, I have a small request. If you want to speak English slowly, clearly, and confidently, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more lessons that truly help you learn. Now, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and relax. Let's begin. Part 1. Small to long sentences. Listen carefully. I have a dream. Repeat with me. I have a dream. Good. Now listen to the longer sentence. I have a dream to become successful in my life. Repeat with me. Slowly. I have a dream to become successful in my life. Excellent. Listen carefully. I want to travel. Repeat with me. I want to travel. Now, listen to the longer sentence. I want to travel around the world and explore new cultures. Repeat with me. Slowly. I want to travel around the world and explore new cultures. Very nice. Part 2. Same idea, different ways. Listen carefully. I dream of becoming successful. Repeat with me. I dream of becoming successful. Good. Listen again. My dream is to become successful. Repeat with me. My dream is to become successful. Very good. Listen carefully. I hope to become successful someday. Repeat with me. I hope to become successful someday. Excellent. Part 3. New words and meanings. Listen carefully. Dream. A dream means something you want to achieve in the future. Goal. A goal means a clear target you work toward. Aspiration. Aspiration means a strong desire to become something better. Ambition. Ambition means a powerful wish to succeed or reach a high position. Now listen to the sentence. My goal is to travel the world. Repeat with me. My goal is to travel the world. Good. Listen again. My ambition is to build a successful career. Repeat with me. My ambition is to build a successful career. Very good. Part 4. Talking about interests. Listen carefully. I like learning English. Repeat with me. I like learning English. Good. Now listen. I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate with people. Repeat with me slowly. I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate with people. Excellent. Listen again. Learning English is something I love doing in my free time. Repeat with me. Learning English is something I love doing in my free time. Very nice. Part 5. More useful words. Listen carefully. Enjoy. Enjoy means to feel happy while doing something. Explore. Explore means to discover or learn something new. Listen carefully. I enjoy painting because it relaxes me. Repeat with me. I enjoy painting because it relaxes me. Good. Listen again. I want to explore new cultures and ideas. Repeat with me. I want to explore new cultures and ideas. Excellent. Part 6. Questions and answers practice. Listen to the question. What is your dream? Listen to my answer. My dream is to become a successful professional and help my family. Repeat with me. My dream is to become a successful professional and help my family. Now, pause the video and say your own answer. Good job. Listen to the next question. Why do you want to achieve your dream? Listen carefully. I want to achieve my dream because it will give me a better future. Repeat with me. I want to achieve my dream because it will give me a better future. Now, say your own answer. Excellent. Listen to the next question. How will you make it happen? Listen carefully. I will make it happen by working hard, learning every day, and staying focused. Repeat with me, slowly. I will make it happen by working hard, learning every day, and staying focused. Very good. Part 7. Final practice. Listen carefully. I have a dream to travel around the world and explore new cultures. Repeat with me. I have a dream to travel around the world and explore new cultures. Listen again. My goal is to learn English and speak confidently. Repeat with me. My goal is to learn English and speak confidently. Listen carefully. I hope to become successful in my career someday. Repeat with me. I hope to become successful in my career someday. Wonderful work today. Remember, English improves when you listen, repeat, and feel the sentence. Practice this lesson again tomorrow. Speak slowly, speak clearly. I'll see you in the next lesson.